Learn English with Om Nom.
Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Oh, let's have a look under here and see what we can find. A cake! Oh, I do love a good birthday cake. But Om Nom, I'm sorry. Cakes are not very healthy. Never mind. Let's see what's next. An apple! A juicy red apple! They're very, very good for you, Om Nom. Don't worry. You can try it later. Let's put it in the basket. Excellent. Right, shall we see what's next? A cheeseburger. Oh, I do love cheeseburgers, but they're not very good for you. Sorry, Om Nom. It has to go with the cake. Let's try again. Broccoli! Oh, look, Om Nom. It's the same colour as you. A lovely, healthy green. Oh, it looks like a baby tree. Right, what's next? Pizza! I do love a good pizza. It's very Italian, but not very good for you. Sorry, Om Nom. Has to go in the unhealthy basket. Okay, one more go. Spinach. I say, Om Nom, spinach is exceedingly good for you. It's the same colour as you too. Green must be a very healthy colour. Now, which basket should we try? I'm starved. Unhealthy. Healthy, unhealthy, healthy! Excellent choice, Om Nom. Hello, Om Nom. You look a bit lost. Look, it's a pencil. What's that doing here? It's drawing something. Is it a plane? Is it a Superman? It's a bird. Very good. Oh, look, pink and yellow. Oh, Om Nom, it's flying away, look. Birds love to fly in the sky, and they live in the treetops way up high. They build a nest which they call their home. Now, Om Nom, off we go. Oh, there's that pencil again. What's it drawing this time? A circle and a triangle. A dinosaur. A chicken. Oh, silly me. It's a fish. Fish live in the water. They love to swim in the oceans and the seas and the rivers. Oh, careful, Om Nom. Try not to walk into things. It's a flower. A sun with legs. And a snake. No. It's a lion. Careful, Om Nom. Don't get too close to him. Don't want him to eat you for his tea now, do we? The lion is the king of the jungle. And he lives in a cave, which he calls his den. Oh dear. Don't worry, Om Nom. His roar is worse than his bite. Look, Om Nom, quick, quick. It's your ride. Let's get out of here. You're flying like a bird now, Om Nom. Bye. Hello, Om Nom. Wow. Candy. Candy makes you so happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Oh. It's moving. It's jumping. Very good jumping, Om Nom. Careful though. Oh dear. Let's try the other side. And jump. Oh. And again. Oh dear. If you're angry and you know it, count to 10. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. If you're sad and you know it, wipe your tears. Don't be sad, Om Nom. There's always hope. Om Nom, look. It's coming back to you. If you're happy and you know it, eat the candy, eat the candy. Om Nom, where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you. Om Nom, wake up. Wake up, Om Nom. Wait, Om Nom, I've been wanting to tell you something. Whoa, what is this place? A TV set. A book on a cabinet, picture frames. Which part of the house is this? Sofa set! And a carpet. Where do you find all these things? I know, in a living room. Wait, Om Nom. I have to tell you something. Oh, where are you now? Wait, careful. Oh, thank God you're okay. A dressing table with a mirror, a side table with flowers, a bed. Seems like you find all these things in a bedroom. That's right, a bedroom. Wow. Om Nom, I still have something to tell you. Oh, now which part of the house is this? Careful, Om Nom, it's hot. Find some water. That's better. Now, there's a cooker, an extractor fan, a fridge, a kettle, a clock. Where do you find all these things? I know, the kitchen! Oh, there you are, Om Nom, eating an ice cream. I wanted to tell you how much I love you.
Subscribe! Click to watch more!